What's up, guys? Welcome back to Everything Weapons and the channel. So Caldwell's Clay-Copter makes clay shooting fun again. I'm going to be reading from the firearmblog.com, so all credit to them. But Jared Box Grove from Caldwell Shooting joins Luke C. at GunCon 2026 to break down the full Clay-Copter lineup, including the brand new surface-to-air launcher. Clay-Copter targets are biodegradable, spinning prop style discs that fly with a unique rotating flight pattern, nothing like a standard clay. Box walks through all three ways to run them. The original hand-powered RIP launcher uses a self-winding pull cord to launch targets up to 80 yards with no batteries required. The handheld electronic launcher steps things up with a motorized battery-powered throw out to 100 yards. Then there's the new surface-to-air, a freestanding, hands-free ground launcher under 10 pounds that connects via Bluetooth to the Caldwell Clays app with adjustable wobble and oscillation, voice control, and the ability to pair up to 10 launchers together for a full backyard sporting clays setup. Very cool new Clay-Copter launcher that I'm actually not sure when is available. Probably soon, but type a comment down below if you're interested in this new Clay-Copter launcher and if you'll be getting one yourself. It looks pretty cool. I like the design, and it'll be fun to see people use it coming up very soon. So, as always, if you want to stay up to date with everything firearm and war related, subscribe, ring the bell, that way you don't miss any video I post in the future. Drop a like, a thumbs up is greatly appreciated, and check out my older videos as well on the channel. Lots of videos to binge watch, and I will see you guys in the next video.